I make a lot of salads every week, and the salad spinner I was using isn't eco-friendly, it didn't get all the water off my vegetables, and it ultimately broke. That's when I discovered Saladzilla. Saladzilla is a high-performance, environmentally conscious salad spinner that will change the way you prepare your greens forever. Saladzilla isn't your average salad spinner. It's designed with sustainability, durability, and efficiency in mind. In independent tests against other leading brands, Saladzilla proved equal or better in drying performance. You can enjoy clean, dry, and crisp salads and herbs with ease. No more compromising performance for convenience. And unlike traditional salad spinners that can crack or have mechanical parts that break over time, Saladzilla is made of diamond ripstop fabric. This durable material, often used in high-end backpacking equipment, ensures long-lasting durability. It's tough enough for outdoor environments while remaining lightweight for optimal performance. Plus, the fabric is free of harmful chemicals, ensuring the safety of your food. And what's more, Saladzilla offers a true 2-gallon capacity, or 8 quarts, allowing you to go from less than a quart to full capacity. Whether you're working with chopped greens, sprouts, microgreens, or whole leafy greens and herbs, Saladzilla can handle it all. Break free from the limitations of plastic salad spinners and embrace the versatility of Saladzilla. Weighing only 3 ounces in total, Saladzilla is incredibly lightweight and portable. It uses 12 times less materials and energy for production and transport compared to traditional plastic spinners. By choosing Saladzilla, you're making a positive impact on the environment. You're helping to reduce plastic waste in landfills and oceans, contributing to a healthier planet. Revolutionize your salad preparation with Saladzilla. Enjoy clean, dry, and crisp salads and herbs effortlessly while reducing your environmental impact. Visit kahunagear.com today and make Saladzilla a part of your kitchen arsenal.